After few minutes nga, nag-text na sa atin si GCash. And ang sabi niya po rito is na unregister na daw yung ating old phone and pwede na daw tayo makapag-register sa ating new phone. What is up guys? Welcome back for today's video. Update ko lang kayo about sa procedure kung saan itinuro ko po sa inyo kung paano masasolusyonan yung error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. Marami na naman po kasi akong nababasa sa comment section na wala daw show form na lumalabas. And nung chinek ko nga yung chat with Gigi, may nagiba na naman sa process niya. So I decided to make this video para ma-update kayo. But before we continue this tutorial, kung bago pa lang sa yung channel, hiniling ko po ang inyong mga kamay para i-subscribe ang channel na ito and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na mag-upload ako ng mga bagong videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So una lang po natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa Chrome or any browser na available sa inyong mga phone. Then si-search lang natin dito yung GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin. Then pupunta lang tayo dito sa GCash Help Center. Then scroll down lang natin and scroll up hanggang lumabas si Chat with Gigi. Click lang natin yung Chat with Gigi. Then dito po sa Chat with Gigi, type lang natin as first message yung phone registration. Then send lang natin. Then dito piliin lang natin yung I'm getting the prompt, you already have a registered phone. Then magre-respond si Gigi ng ganito. If you still have access to your registered phone, follow the instructions below. So ito po yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo sa ating old phone, kung saan registered ang ating GCash account. Since wala na tayong access, tatanungin tayo, are you able to log in? Click lang natin dito yung no. Then tatanungin tayo, alright, which best describes your concern? Dito piliin natin yung my registered phone got damaged. Then dito naman po sa please describe your experience with unregistering your phone and share your thoughts in this space. This will help us improve your experience. Dito pwede nating ilagay yung ganito. I can't unregister my GCash account on my old phone because I don't have an access to it anymore. So pwedeng ganito yung ilagay natin. So send lang natin. After nun, lalabas na yung show form. Click lang natin yung show form. Then dito pipilapan po natin yung form. Dito ilalagay natin yung GCash registered name natin, yung GCash registered mobile number, GCash registered email, and yung phone's brand and model ng ating old phone. Then after natin malagay lahat ng informations na yon, click lang natin yung send. After that, magre-respond si Gigi ng ganito. Thanks Raymart, next we will be asking you to upload these two required documents for us to process your request. So need po natin i-upload dito yung valid ID natin used to register with GCash, then yung selfie with your valid ID. Then ito po yung mga list ng mga ID na kinoconsider ni GCash ngayon. Pero kung wala dyan yung ID na ginamit nyo sa pag-register sa GCash, for example yung PhilHealth ID, kasi nga yung sinasabi dito, valid ID used to register with GCash, so ibig sabihin, PhilHealth ID pa rin po yung kailangan nyo i-upload dito. Dahil kailangan po mag-match yung information na yun sa kung ano yung nasa record nila. Pero kung nandito naman sa list yung ID na ginamit nyo, much better. Then dito, ensure that you are uploading the correct images to prevent delays in the processing of your request. So kailangan po talaga natin mag-upload ng correct images para mabilis lang po yung process ng ating request. Ngayon, click lang natin yung select file para ma-upload natin yung ating valid ID dito. Then select file ulit. Ngayon, kung hindi lumalabas yung media picker katulad nito ngayon, ganito lang yung gawin nyo. Click lang natin tong 3 dots sa taas, then desktop site natin. Then click lang natin ulit yung chat with Gigi. Then select file ulit. Then as you can see, lumabas na yung media picker. So ganun lang po yung gawin nyo if hindi lumabas yung media picker. So click lang natin tong media picker. Then upload lang natin yung ating valid ID. Then after po natin ma-select yung file na yon, click lang natin yung submit file. Then kapag successfully uploaded na, return to chat lang tayo. After natin ma-upload yung valid ID natin, need din natin mag-upload ng selfie with our valid ID. Then same process lang. Then select file lang ulit. Then media picker. Then submit file lang ulit. After that, return to chat na tayo. Ngayon magre-respond si Gigi ng ganito. Here's your ticket number. So bibigyan tayo ng ticket number. And yung ticket number po is yung proof lang po yan ng concern. So wag po tayo mag-depend dyan. Then sabi niya, once validated, an email will be sent within 24 hours confirming that you should be able to log into your account with your new phone already. So, hihintay lang po natin yung update ni GCash through email. So, monitor lang natin yung Gmail natin. dahil dun po magre-respond si GCash about sa status ng ating concern. After few minutes, mag-i-email po si GCash na ganito. Hi Raymart, we understand that you need to unlink your account from your old device and we're here to help you through this process. If you still have access to your old phone, please follow the steps. So ito po yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo sa ating old phone. Since wala na tayong access sa ating old phone, may nakalagay dito sa baba. If you no longer have access to your old phone, no worries. We will review your request within 2 days to ensure we can assist you as quickly as possible. Please verify that the following information matches your registration details. So ito yung mga information na yon. Registered mobile number, registered full name, registered email address, previous device used, one valid government ID used to register with GCash yan, selfie holding the ID. If you have already provided this information, there is no need to resend it. Since nakapag-submit na tayo ng mga information na yon dun pa lang sa chat with Gigi, di na natin need mag-resend ng ganun. So hintayin na lang natin na mag-update ulit si GCash. And after few minutes nga, nag-text agad sa atin si GCash. And sabi niya dito na unregistered na nga yung ating old phone. So pwede na tayong makapag-register sa ating new phone. So ganun lang po kadali masolve yung ganitong case. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito. Hanggang dito na lang. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.